Okay, we gotta. Is this a catfish? No. No way. We need this for the challenge. Okay. Yes. Yes. Is that channel?
Actually, I don't know. Could be a brown bullhead.
Well.
We'll have to look at it. I'll have to do a picture of it later.
Well, catfish, whatever it is, marked off the list.
Big one. It's a big one. Keep pressure. Gotta keep him off the rocks. Gotta keep him off the rocks. Walk over there. Oh, man. Don't fall in the water. Don't put too much pressure. Lean up. Don't fall in the water. Oh, yeah.
Oh, so big. Can't really. Don't know if I can do it.
All right, you want to get it? You want to get him? Oh, my goodness. Look how big this thing is. Look how big this thing is. Oh, my goodness. He's a monster. All right, Mike is going to release him.
Yeah.
Give him a good release.